people of Uganda in 1996, when I was still very young boy. I represented the people of Lango and Uganda in Olympics. Then I ran the fastest time in the world. By then, Bosco Nyik was still working on National Council of Sports. And that record lasted for 24 years. So the record which I ran as a made people will pay me until I die, I go to heaven, I come back, my money will always be there. So that's the goodness of sport. And Bosco, also thank you again for representing people of Oyam. Today we are here basically for Right Honorable Speaker Anita Among. Not anybody. She has sent much greetings for you people of Oyam. Due to other commitments, she could not come here in person, but she still hopes to meet you in the next meeting. And she has sent her apology through us who are here in front of you. She has sent much love, much greeting, and she appealed to you that we should vote for her. As we are aware, she's the only person that we can vote to. It's always good to vote for somebody who is on the system. Because when you're in the system, when you are out of the system, your voice cannot be heard, your voice cannot be taken. And a new Right Honorable Speaker, Annet Among, when I joined Parliament in the 2016, and we have been very close friends. She had asked me to go together with our teams here to meet you, to send her a message. And I hope you guys will vote for her. Openly, Mirobole, Pien Ongeoni, and a notice system. One who kill a message, kill a message. Whoever wants to come will come on his or her own. We have come for Right Honorable Speaker Annet Among, and we are moving very many districts. From here we are going to other places, so we shall be going in 3 different places. I think I want to hand here, and then I will invite one of my colleagues to say a few words. And then later on, when we're all done, we request for the photograph, and then also we have the photo to endorse Right Honorable Speaker. Thank you so much, my brothers and sisters, people from Oyam. Thank you, I appreciate it. Thank you.
NRM Oye, Anita Among Oye, Anita Among Jew, Museveni Oye. Thank you so much. My name is Semwanga Javira. I'm the Member of Parliament for Oyamba in Rakai District. Rakai borders with Tanzania in the south, and in 2021 I went to Parliament unopposed, and I am also the chairman NRM of Rakai District. I'm glad to be here to see the beautiful people of Oyam, and it's my first time. I bring you greetings from Rakai. The people of Rakai, I love you so much. Actually, I have traversed the whole of Central Region campaigning for Right Honorable Annet Anita Among. So these Central Region people sent me this side of Lango to confirm if we have supporters of Annet Anita Among for sake. Do we have supporters this side? Can we do that by show of hands? Wow, my team, could you please clap for them? That's wonderful. For us, we are supporting for a reason in the Central Region. Reason number 1, we believe in African values. We as Africans, we believe in marriage between a man and a woman. Right Honorable Annet Anita Among, together with His Excellency the President of Uganda, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, championed the anti-homosexuality bill. The president assented to it, and now homosexuality is not allowed in our country. Don't we need to clap for that? Right Honorable Annet Among was almost crucified for that. She has suffered, she has felt the pain because of African family values. I think we should cherish her for that. Reason number 2, for us in Central Region, we prefer voting for a reason. Being a second member and a speaker, it adds value in terms of influencing policies and resource allocation. I believe if the Speaker of Parliament is the second member, it will be very useful to all of us. And the beauty with the Right Honorable Annet Anita Among, she has a nationalistic character. That's why I'm from Central Region, telling you her goodness here in Northern Uganda. You can never hear her talking about Eastern, maybe Teso, because this position is not ring-fenced for a particular sub-region. It's a national position. But you hear some people say, for us as Teso, for us as Baganda, for us as Basoga, that kind of argument. I think we should have in our mind that this is a national position. Reason number 3, Right Honorable Annet Anita Among has a giving heart. For the first time in history, she is the first speaker to help communities. She has really opened the Pandora box. We need also to put that in our minds. Still, she values friends. If she is your friend, she is a friend. That's why you see us today we are with the Andrew Olanya. It's because of friendship. I want to call upon you all, the beautiful people of Oyam, to support Right Honorable Annet Anita Among for the goodness of our country. I thank you very much for God and my country.
Anita Anita Among oye. Ukona moto ka mora. Yana na bino jaro team me any head of delegation. Edu bege ande moto da. Anye jogandro ya. Kanu bora penu jokolanya. Abedo MP mo Moro County. Ditang flag bearer. Ba oye ne medicare then. That structure dango yera anti publicity secretary for the district under a very deck. No miranda achungu very deck menchuteka. Din upiro me moko ka moga ka chwak tikom Anita Anita Among. Chwak tie. No upiro me moko ke ganba. Edu pere deck dang ni bango ka ke program. Beni kirbedo mara dia deck ni ngo. Mere mi unu tijma dia. Pere deck. Wayo kita maru dago ningo eru dia buruke jauh kenda maado ket mere mi wati jame wano do borre me tinu benu chalo messengers me chalo mod me ye twak dan ibot eru twak dan mi kede ti so kwaje ti bot organizers ni ka kare mod ye biru bet kede memorandum mor me juru ti jame won jaro law sub region yo yam ibi won board speaker Annet Among. I wish you well. We are the cat Murmudo. Ya yo mene ni dinda. Wanu nuya jengja you yam both what am I do. Begru wara be edo wara na be. Tuba me bologo. So one thing I can agenda can I be to me you will wa. We only have one agenda. Only one request. We are not going to ask for very many things. Are we together? Yes. Our biggest problem now in Oyam district is the creation of a bad district. That is the biggest problem that is affecting everybody in Uganda. We are a very big district, big in population, and even big in size. So we request that Right Honorable Speaker, Honorable Annet Among Anita should help us in this. The creation of the district will come along with the creation of other sub-counties and also the town councils and constituencies. This is the only request we want to place before this committee. And according to the chairman, this request has already been forwarded to the local government. It just needs to follow up. I don't think there's any other thing that we need to know to deal with this very big request. Now, I want to ask this again in our local language so that my friend here can take to Honorable Annet Among. Now, we have to endorse this. If we are going to we have to go and endorse. And we are going to endorse in this manner. The members of the deck, please step forward with the person. Go. After DEC and members of parliament, we are again requesting members of the council to go and do the endorsement.